Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and Dladlaminis. Finally, Uvelepi is feeling the treatment that Usbongile was feeling all along. When Usbongile was treated like Aksigibo Lapayana by Umamaga Velepi. But it's so sad because Uvelepi was not expecting it. But ke ngoba ugele yena vele uyatshelana vele nje akadlali nje enhlobo. Tshela ke uSamke wethu get off. uSamke amthambisele ukudla emsebenzini. Athi-ke kuVelaphi mamela-ke ugirl wami lo ubaby girl unenkinga yomqolo, so uzolala embhedeni, wena uzoya kuphi? Down phansi on the floor, or alternatively uzobamba isofa. Hhayi, ngiyambona ukuthi ubamba isofa nje akadlali-ke. Yabona le ngiyayibona ukuthi akadlali ugirl, uzimisele ukuthi ufuna ukuphoka uVelaphi nje straight, alright, sharp. Velaphi aye amconfront endlini amutshele wethu get off kulwiwe kwenzeni ubabakhe amtshele ukuthi phela angeke nitreat uSamke kabi. uSamke unkosikazi wami, she's not an outsider, you must treat her well. Mangena uvuma uSamke sekawumuntu okhalayo. Hayi yabona uSamke, yabona ishem ama-tricks wakhe. Hayi shem kahle kahle kusho ukuthi amadodama wasemathandweni awaboni nje, but ama-tricks kaSamke ayasebenza. Ubaba umncane angene esibhedlela, njengoba angene esibhedlela basazositshela ukuthi what is the problem. Bani lo mama uphetheni azwe indaba ezibuhlungu-ke zokuthi indoda yakhe izothatha i-second wife. Wazi kanjani? uNomfundo utshele uMavis yamphatha kabi, wahamba wayotshela uMadam. uMadam u-stressed, uMadam u-confused, uMadam akazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Alanda indoda athi, I've got great news ukuthi angisakudivorce, but I've got even greater news. Those best news is the fact that I'm going to be taking a second wife okuNomfundo. So ngiqala wenze sure ukuthi uyamphuthela lapho, uyamdedela lapha endlini. So uNomfundo uyangena, asazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani, for how long, and we don't know how the kids are going to take the whole thing, but we all know ukuthi obviously uFanas uzoba happy ngayo yonke lento eyenzakalayo. Uphetheni aconfronte uGqina, athi Qina ubani otshele uVusi ngalento. uGqina aziphikisa athi yazini, I have accepted you here, but I don't trust you, like I don't trust you from a bar of soap nje, into ene-trust phakathi anginayo. But ke ugirl manje uhleli ne-reality yokuthi uNomfundo is moving in, whether she likes it or she does not. uSangweni-ke yena uya kuphi? Estowed School. Amaphoyisa bamuphe ama-options awu-2. It's either you get arrested because of vele there are charges that are late and they're not going to let the charges go. uSamke azenze ngathi usesayidini lakhe, but agqina kuba umuntu osuggesta Estowed School. Hhayi uSamke ulo uSangweni athi nje ningangibhedeli. Asathi uthi ningangibhedeli, iphoyisa limtshela ukuthi it's either that or prison, boy, because at this point you are a problem in the community. So it's either that or you go to prison with people that are elder than you, and then you see to finish ukuthi i-prison life injani. Ke hayi kwathi uthi uyazihlanyisa, bamusa Estowed School. Ubani? Umalume nobaba wakhe, by fire by force.